Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a treble crochet foundation row. So to do so, you're going to make a slip knot, insert your hook, chain 4, and then we're going to yarn over twice, and we're going to insert it in that last stitch. We're going to yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, just pull through one stitch. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is, now you have 2 treble crochets. Yarn over twice, go down to the base where these 2 stitches are, and you're going to insert your hook like so. Here we go. You're going to yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1, that's creating the base of your stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Alright, and now you have 3. And you'll just continue that all the way down until you have the right number. So again, you're going out these bottom 2. So your hook will go through those bottom 2 and it'll look like the little V. Yarn over, pull up loop, and then yarn over, pull through 1, creating the base of your stitch, and then continuing your treble crochet as normal.